Hello, parents. It's Mrs. Martino, proud principal of Roye-Williams Elementary.
And Mrs. Harris, proud assistant principal of Roye-Williams Elementary.
And we're here with our Admin Update. I want to thank all the parents that attended the parent-teacher conferences that we had just last Thursday. It was an amazing turnout, and I appreciate that you all came to conference with the teacher. Also, all our grade levels have already had or will be having before winter break their Learn With Me event. It's wonderful seeing all the parents here learning alongside their little scholars. Also, after the winter break, each class will have their second Learn With Me event, and teachers will be in touch with parents to let you know that date.
We want to remind you of our upcoming event at our PTA meeting, November 18th, from 5:45 to 7 o'clock p.m. At that time, we will have Internet Safety Specialist Officer Dugan here presenting to our parents, and it is a parent event preferred, to help us understand best ways to keep our students safe in their internet access and online activity. So we hope that you will join us for that event.
And also on November 21st, we're going to have our first for this year SOAR Assembly to celebrate all our scholars at each grade level. Some things that we'll be celebrating is the most improved, students who demonstrate great character, and our Eagle Award. We're looking forward to it.
Today, we celebrated our Orange House, the House of Friendship. They had the most Best for the guest teacher SOAR tickets, Golden SOAR tickets, those above and beyond SOAR tickets, and our staff standout tickets for the first quarter.
And finally, just talking attendance, we want everybody to arrive on time every time. We want our little scholars here so that they're learning. And just a little note, data shows missing just 10% of the school year, that's 18 days per year, which is a lot. It shows that scholars are more likely to fall behind in reading and math by the time they get to third grade. So it's so important. Success starts right here at Roye-Williams and making sure they're here each day, every day, on time. So again, it's Mrs. Martino
and Mrs. Harris, and we want to wish you a
happy Thanksgiving.